Hey, hello. Let's welcome to the part 29 of this playlist. We are looking at real certification questions. We will look at questions linked with these three topics. But before we do that, please hit the subscribe button if you have not already done. This is your opportunity to stay tuned to the latest updates coming in the cloud certification space. Buddy, let's jump into the questions. The question is talking about making use of edge locations. Thumb rule: whenever you see edge, you think of global accelerator. Edge global accelerator, edge global accelerator. That is the thumb rule. So this would be my answer. So this is my answer, but you might ask why not Outpost, Connect, and Aurora. Aurora is a simple database. It has nothing to do with leveraging the edge location. So for me, this is wrong. Now you might say, what about Connect? See, Connect is used to connect to the sales representative or the customer support agents. It has nothing to do with edge locations. It is not a service which is used to build applications, so there is no use of putting it on edge. High performance or not, or medium performance does not matter. And what about Outpost? It is used to provide a hybrid solution. If you have on-prem as well as AWS infrastructure and you want to set up a hybrid cloud structure, then you can use Outposts. But in this question, they are talking about just leveraging the edge locations. Outpost is not leveraging the edge locations. We will strike this off. So my final answer would be this one, Global Accelerator. It uses AWS edge locations closest to the users instead of at your endpoint. So that accelerates the data transfers globally. So we have also seen the documentation for evidence, just in case you don't trust me. So this would be my final answer. Now let us jump into this question. Okay, so what it is saying is you have an EC2 instance and you have installed Oracle, you have installed Tableau, you have put some security groups, and now you want to take this already configured EC2 instance elsewhere. What is the process to do that? This is already configured. That so that means that when you send it to someone else, they should not again install Oracle, again install Tableau. It should happen. It's already there in your EC2 instance. It should happen automatically. So number one thing, we go to the thumb rule. Whenever you say such requirements, AMI is the path forward. So what it does is you can create, what you will do is you will have an instance and you will create an AMI. You will register. You see this, you registered it, and then you can share it with someone else, or you can put it in the marketplace to sell it. Now someone else, for example, you have one EC2 instance which has an Oracle database. Now you have created an AMI. Whoever next uses this, they can launch the instance and it will already have a pre-configured Oracle instance. Now you also have other options. You can take this AMI, copy it, and you remember you just had Oracle installed on this EC2 instance. Now you can install Tableau and create one more AMI. That AMI will also have Oracle plus Tableau, and you can sell it on marketplace. So machine image, what will be the answer? But why not Elastic Block Store? Elastic Block Store is just a storage. It will not be taking into consideration the pre-configured parameters like security groups as well as the installations like Oracle database. So this is wrong. It is just used for storage. Systems manager will just help you with the management of applications. It will not help you with pre-configuring this stuff. It is not born for this purpose. An app stream has a different purpose where it provides secure and reliable scalable access to applications. So nobody is talking about reliability and scalability. That's why AppStream would be wrong as well. Machine image would be the final answer. Let's move forward. See, there is a business, they want to send traffic directly and they do not want to use public internet. Simple. No internet should be used. Now how should you proceed with this? You have so many other options. Whenever you see such options like you don't have to leverage internet, then direct connect. If there is a direct connect option, this will be the right answer because it is a dedicated network. It is not using internet. The moment you order, suppose you are working for Infosys and you're setting up a direct connect, so what will happen is there will be wires, there will be big cables which will be laid down between the Infosys premises and the AWS nearest AWS data centers. Okay, so no internet is used, absolutely safe and secured. Hence this would be my answer. But you might also ask, hey boss, why not VPN? VPN, as you remember, VPN is a process. It will use the internet and it will create a tunnel within that internet to make sure that there is secured access provided. This is secured, but it will still be using internet to create a tunnel in between. Okay, So this one would be wrong. And let us look at option C, that is NAT gateway. NAT gateway is for whenever you have some instances in the private subnet, if they want to access some things in the public domain or internet, they can do that through the NAT gateway. But as we know that public internet, we don't have to use at all. You see this, we don't have to use at all. And hence NAT gateway will not work, because NAT gateway is all about connecting your private subnets and applications in the private subnet to the public domain and through the NATing services. Hence, option C is also wrong. Now, D talks about using internet gateway. Internet gateway is used to communicate between your VPC and the internet. Again, the question clearly says do not use internet, public internet. Then why will we use internet gateway? So this would be the final answer. Folks, please hit the subscribe and the like button. Subscriptions would ensure that you get timely alerts of all the latest development in the cloud certification world. This brings us to the end of part 29. We looked at some of the key questions linked with these three topics. These are all real certification questions. Please focus on the concepts and do not try to mug the answers, because the questions might be framed a bit different in the exam, but concepts will help you clear it. We will see you in the next part. Stay tuned and have a nice day ahead.